Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add bank account to DoorDash. So adding your bank account to DoorDash is actually pretty easy. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do here is you want to ensure that you've given appropriate access to DoorDasher application. So you have to give permissions to your camera on the DoorDasher application. Once you've given that, next thing you want to do is you want to launch your Dasher application. Now from there, you need to search for the earnings tab. So that is usually located in the bottom bar. Now from there, you need to look for the red banking symbol. So it's usually located at the top right of your screen there. Now from there, just click on the add bank account to set up your direct deposit or the update change your bank information. Now from there, you just need to follow the instructions and you'll be entering your details. Now once you've entered your details, just tap on the submit button that you'll see on your screen and a success message will appear on your screen signifying the changes has been saved. Now from there, you just need to check your bank account every second Wednesday to confirm transfer of payment. Now, if you don't receive your payment, then you'll have to double check your account details in the application itself, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.